Let's talk about multi-window and multitasking on this tablet, and Samsung, being the pioneer of this feature, absolutely nails it. So for example, I am in Settings app. Now to quickly launch into multi-window setup, all I have to do is use two fingers from the side and swipe in, and it launches into multi-window mode. And from here I can open the second app. So now I am using two apps side by side. Now once we are in multi-window, there are several things that you can do. So you see these three dots. This is a menu. So if you tap on it, it allows you to switch the apps from right to left. This button changes the orientation. So right now we are in horizontal orientation. So this will switch it to vertical. And then you also have some menus for both the windows. So if I tap here, I can open up any other app. So this opens up the app drawer and I can open any other app. With this button, I can switch the app into pop-up window. So if I tap here, now Settings is the full app and Play Store is the pop-up window, and I can tap here and minimize it here as well, and tap here again and open it in multi-window again. So that's really cool and seamless. This will maximize it, and then this last button will close this app. And if you swipe up, you can go back home, but you can bring that multi-window setup back again. All you have to do is go to your recent screen, and from here tap on it again and it comes back. Now it is also very easy to switch any app into pop-up window. All you have to do is swipe down from the top right or left corners, and it turns the app into this pop-up view, and then you can change the size and you can bring it anywhere. And if you tap here, you can close it, maximize it, minimize it, launch it into multi-window setup. And this last option basically pin these options menu to the top. So if I tap here, they will be pinned to the top, and that just makes it easier to control this pop-up window. Now if you minimize it, it goes away but stays right there, and you can continue to do your stuff on the tablet whenever you need it. Just tap it here and it comes back. And you can also open multiple apps in pop-up view and minimize them, and they'll all be here. And from here you can open them separately, and if you want to minimize them all together, just swipe up and they will be minimized. If you go in Settings and then go in Advanced Features and go in multi-window, here you will see the controls for split screen, and it shows you exactly how to turn on the split screen or multi-window mode. Then you'll see the settings for swipe for pop-up view, and once again here you can change the top corner area from where you want to swipe, and you can see these blue highlights appear here. So you can just make it easier for yourself to swipe down and launch apps into pop-up view. And one more important feature that is available here is show multi-window menu with one window. So this is basically this menu button at the top here. If I tap on it, it shows me the multi-window menu still, and from here as well I can launch apps into pop-up view, and I can also launch them into multi-window. Now there is one last way that you can launch apps into multi-window, and that is from the Recents menu. Tap here, and here you will see these options: open in split screen view and open in pop-up view. So from here as well you can open apps into split screen view and into pop-up view. The easiest way to launch multi-window on Galaxy Tab is to create app pairs, and you can do that by opening two apps side by side. So here I've got Settings, and then I'll open Play Store. So now I've got these two apps open side by side, and I can create an app pair. So I'll just tap here in the middle, tap on the start button, and it will give me three options. I can create an app pair and add it to the taskbar, to the home screen and edge panel. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's add this app pair to the edge panel. So now this app pair is in the edge panel, and whenever I want to use these two apps again, all I have to do is go in the edge panel and tap on this app pair, and it will open these two apps side by side. So you can create multiple app pairs of whatever apps that you want and have them in your edge panel, in your taskbar, or in your home screen, and you can launch these app pairs from there very quickly. So let's add one to the home screen, and there we go. Now if I remove it from the recents, I can tap on this and these two apps will open straight away in multi-window.